What's up, guys? Good morning. Yeah, I did. I did hold CCHH overnight. Good morning, guys. Yeah, and then I overslept by quite a bit. Oh yeah. Yep, still holding right there. Would have been nice if I didn't oversleep though. That would have been great. Hmm. All right. Let's get this going. Shantwy? Hey, Wheeler's doing pretty good. Good morning. Check out Battle. Never mind. Why am I checking out Battle? Let's see. This didn't pop up anywhere. Okay. What? I'm gonna just drop that down. I don't care. Let's just take whatever that is and call it a day. Take some profits. Why not? So good. Such a good song. Such a good song. Can you guys tell I just woke up? And again, we play our little games. Yep. Market's fun. Market's fun, isn't it? Who's having fun? Technically, this song should be "The Market is an Asshole." He's an asshole. You guys see a little gap there? Did you guys see a little gap there? There's a little gap there. See right there. There's a little gap. What do you think? You think it's trying to get that gap? You think it's trying to fill that gap right there? That little one? I do. Oh yeah. Good morning. Good morning, guys. Good morning. I will wake up. I haven't had a cup of coffee yet, so technically I shouldn't be trading. So no trading for me yet. I need to have my first cup of coffee. I just realized my tax write-off for last year. No, okay. All right. So Willard did not treat you well then, is what you're saying. But it's pretty cool that these are the targets from last night. So that's pretty cool. Pretty cool. I don't know what the hell that was. Did you guys catch that? I had to. I just I it's we all know. Hey, the good thing is we all know why it was there, and we all know that it likes to fuck around. We knew that. Let me grab my coffee. All right. Oh, jeez. It was a it was a uh it was a long night for me, guys. That's another reason. I told you guys that I've got these back spasms right now going on. Um, and I'm on muscle relaxer. But last night I got a call from my uncle. at like friggin' midnight. He fell down. So I had to drive my merry little ass over there and help him back up. So it was a long night. But he's okay. He didn't hurt himself, so that's good. But crap, I'm pretty tired. So he's good though. That's all that really matters. All right, I might have missed it, but what's the story on ASST? The Hulk. Hey, what's up? Oh, okay, I thought you wanted some coffee. What? Love you. All right. Yeah, thanks, Mitchell. Thanks. I will drink some coffee to that. Now on now on Love 38.5. Who feels like they're in one of those one of those radio stations on one of those radio stations. I will get it right soon. Any news on why it halted? What's on in the yeah, what's in the filings? It should be on the halt list, right? And do you guys know that there's a toxic agent? Do you guys know that? Yeah, they've got a toxic agent there. Who can guess who can guess who the toxic agent is on ASST? Which one are you talking about? 2D. 8C Wainwright? There you go. Oh, yeah, on my mom. What's up, man? 8 WH Crankwright. Awesome. What's up, guys? Good morning. As you can see, I'm still trying to fight this being awake stuff. My balls are crying right now. Wheeler's doing all right. CTX. CTX. I did not hold that overnight, but it moved a little bit last night. Are you guys having fun with this market? Who can honestly say that they're enjoying this market? If you are, put a 1 in the chat. If you're not, put a 2 in the chat. Yeah, I'm a 2. I'm not enjoying this market. I'm not enjoying it, not one bit. What's up, Stoner? Somehow I've had my best month of my career. Really, John? Wow, that's good. On my mama, 1 2. 12. So it looks like on my mama took the over under on that one. Looks like he took the over. All right, I need something to move. What's up, Baghose 2? Baghose 2 says 2 facts. All right. All right, let's find something. I gotta find something that's doing some good moves. Because as of right now, I ain't seeing shit. You don't think CC will turn around? No. I see a head and shoulders pattern on the chart. And you see there's one shoulder, there's the head, and there's the other shoulder. And well, I just wanted to take my profit and just, start the day off right, you know. So, all right. Good job, guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. I'll take that was my fault that we're on late. But the goal is 25,000 likes. That's it. I think that's the new goal every day is going to be that 25,000 likes. Question: if you hold a position and it's starting to drop a bit, if you sell fast, the stock usually drops faster. Well, I mean that's because everybody's doing it. If you're looking at it like that, but that's not technically not technically 100% correct there. BOXL. But yeah, when people sell, they create a little bit of a frenzy if it's in a certain spot where the stock is going down. People selling doesn't help it go back up. People selling makes it go back down. Makes it drop faster. Thank you, Risky, Boxel, BOXL. That's a good one. Missed that target by just 3 pennies. 3 pennies. But BOXL, that's been a fun one to play. Ooh, this is good. I like this one. Who likes Bad Religion? Nah. If you like Bad Religion, put one in the chat. If you don't put anything. I know I don't have it up. I was screwing around. Let's try it again. There's your first target. Or actually, the color says it's your second target on BOXL. What's up, buddy?
You're doing good.
Yeah, I woke up and I was up a couple bucks. So that's good. What are you doing up, man? 425.
Well, I went to get water and then I went to the bathroom.
Did you have a donut?
Yesterday.
Oh, no, like today?
No.
No. Okay. No, she's upstairs.
Oh.
Hey, look, there's Boxel up on the left side. Love you too, buddy. Good night. All right. Hey, I have it up now, guys. All right, let's seriously come on, market. Give me something. So Boxel, it's good that Boxel's on the volume weighted average price. That's good. Now this is a downtrend. There's a doji on support. We need a confirmation candle. We need this thing to tell us it's gonna go back up. The MACD just turned red on a little second bar there. It's a 1 minute chart. So we need a nice confirmation candle. Let's see. Good morning, Abu Adam. What's up? All right, come on. 25 more seconds for you to be green. We need a little more volume. The volume's not there. We need more. More. Same with Wheeler. Wheeler's on a 5 minute. There you go. Nice big confirmation candle on BOXL. There it is. Nice confirmation candle. And it is just it's fun. This is fun. I wish I felt better. I'm trying to, summons up all the strength that I have for trading. Thank you for the hearts, me, Abu Adam. Thank you. So there's the confirmation, but the volume's slow. You got 7,000 there, 13,000 there. You already got 7, so that's good. That's picking up. It's picking up a little bit. There's Wheeler. There we go. There we go. Come on, Wheeler. You got a little more to go. There we go. Good job, Wheeler. Good job. All right, that right there is take profit 1 on Wheeler. There you go. And see, this is why I wait for confirmation. So I waited for the confirmation candle. There's a confirmation candle. The next one is another doji. Another one that says, hey, maybe not. Your MACD's still red. That's why you sit and wait. You be patient. Let the trade come to you. You don't rush it. Turns out pretty good. The market thrives on retail traders being impatient, jumping in the stocks, and then just getting manhandled. I'm being very, very cautious on what I jump into today. I'm just uh, you know, chilling like a villain, you. All right, there's a little gap up there on 31, what 31.80 or something like that. Just put a little line there. There's your little gap. Okay, maybe not. Let's try it again. There's your little gap. SMCI after this nice vertical movement here, this nice move up, they decided to take a little bit of a break. It did break volume weighted average price. It did break through the 200 EMA on a 1 minute chart. It does have some news. No, it does not, does it? So ease and tech softways. Yeah, the tech stuff, tech companies, and another good song. Sorry, still waking up. Just, not trading. Still haven't gotten through my cup. Ah, um, but so basically, the only reason I would like this again is if it was up over volume weighted average price. Currently, no way. 5 minute tells you the same story, except I think that it's going to come back down to the red line, if not even a little bit more. Man, look at that. Man, tech stocks yesterday. Oof. They got their butt spanked. I'm French, not Russian. Do you think put call works today on SMCI? Uh, I mean, I'm never one to say, hey, yeah, you know, uh, go against the market. But in this particular instance, I believe that this would have been a perfect time yesterday. Today, I'd be very cautious, you know, because it could just be a game that the market's playing, right? Do I expect it to go down? Yeah, I expect it to hit this little red line. Um, and once it hits that little red line, it's literally got support at $30, and then you got gaps down here at 20, 29, $29. So no, I just say no to puts. I say no to going the opposite direction. I'm bullish as fuck. So you won't ever hear me say that yeah, let's look at it going down. I don't do that. I don't do that. And I'm just having a hard time waking up. Yesterday was pretty cool. I was able to jump on for a second live in the afternoon there. That was cool. I'm gonna try to do it again today. I don't see anything else moving. You got Wheeler and BOXL. See, so there was that confirmation candle. There's your reversal. There it comes back down. This thing's holding above VWAP, which is fantastic. It could be doing a little double bottom, but look at the volume. The volume is just junk. It's junk in the trunk. Wheeler looking like a double top. Filled that gap that it had back here. Thank you guys. Hit the like, the follow, and the share. Don't forget to go to did you guys see my damn profile? Did you guys I don't know why. I don't know why. No idea. It's pretty cool though. Pretty cool that for some reason this video wanted to go ahead and make make some moves. I mean, I'm blown away. Did you guys see this? Look at this shit. What? 60,000 views? 60,000 views on this video? On the top 10 myths of penny stock trading? Anyways, there's only one Jrockstocks, guys. There's only one. It's spelled like that, no other way. Okay. Some of them just put this as Jrock, and then this is completely different. But they can't change. They can't get this because I'm the only one that got this. This is it. All right. Saw it 45,000 times. Ha ha ha. Good job. But yeah, guys, there's some good information here. There's good information right here. There's good information over here. All right. There's more right here. That's good information. That's good information. These are things that I've put out here for you guys to kind of just try to figure out what the market's doing and why is it doing it. This is smart stuff. Okay. Hee hee. All right. Hee hee hee. Okay. That's about that. Didn't want to. All right. Come on now. Thanks for sharing, Abu Adam. Appreciate you. Thank you, thank you. Only way that we grow is with that little share button you guys can push. So I appreciate everybody that pushes that button. Share, share, share. All right, there we go. There's your double bottom on BOXL 209, 212 is the pre-market high there. You got your saggy booby pattern as you guys can see right here on the screen. MACD's trying to turn around. Still can't share. I mean, I still can't trade because my cup of coffee's not done yet. Thank you, Thomas. Thank you for sharing. I appreciate you. Well, let's put a target on this thing, huh? That's the old target. That's from a little bit ago. We got Wheeler bouncing off that volume weighted average price as well. All right, so there's going to be a little bit of headache on BOXL at about 220. Yeah, I'll still stick with these targets. I'll still hold that target right there yet. So this is Boxel 30-minute chart here. This is a 1-minute chart. The target's still in play. Only problem is we just need that volume to come back. Still no volume. Market, market, market. Come on. Okay. So now we've turned this double top into a double bottom on Wheeler. I'd say breakout's going to be right around 328. Nice. You guys are awesome. Keep on doing it. I'll keep searching. You guys keep doing that. That's good. Oh, yeah. Let's see what it does. Took a little $100 position on BOXL. I think it'll get the strength to move up here. I went light on it, so we'll see what happens. Thank you, Omar. Thank you, thank you. Thank you. What's up, Stinky Pinky? Yo, Stinky Pinky. Are you on? Let's see. Shoot me a private message on TikTok if you would. Stinky Pinky. Good morning. Good morning. Snap. John, snap. Oh, snap. Say it again. You broke up. Stinky Pinky, send me a private message on TikTok. Oh boy, this is slow. Very slow goings. John says snap. I don't see snap doing anything. I don't see snap. What is snap? John, why am I looking at snap? John, no idea why I'm looking at snap. The float is 1.13 billion shares. Billion with a B. I don't give advice where to buy. I am not a financial advisor, sir. Not a financial advisor. Cannot advise you whether to buy, sell, or hold. All I can tell you is I would look at and again, it all depends on if you're thinking long term, if you're thinking short term, if you're, what are you thinking of playing this like? Because it's in a downtrend like nobody's business. It's been trading sideways between, let's see, 7, 6. I'd want to know what happened, why it broke its trend. I mean, you have a $2 drop. It was trading between $7 and, 7 and we'll say 7 and 8.5, $9. So you could say between $9 and $7 it was trading that, and then all of a sudden it broke trend and broke down pretty hard. Lost $2. That's what that's what I would look at it as. That's what I would wonder. Let's see. Stinky Pinky. Thank you, dude. There you go. Perfect. Now I will message you, Stinky Pinky, on TikTok just so you know it's me, because not someone else. There we go. Just messaged you back. You commented on one of my videos or the live. What did you comment on here? Yo, there we go. Cool. All right. Let's see. It's all crazy paper trade. If you need advice on where to buy, I advise you to paid trade. Paid trade so you paper trade. So you can learn yourself. You're long at 5. I mean, I don't know, man. I wouldn't call it a bottom anywhere. Yeah, that's the market right now, right there. Sorry, guys. Just doing a little bit of doing a little work here. All right. So there we go. Let's get back to it because the market is flying, guys. There's so many stocks going crazy right now. What? Said no one ever today. When I first started trading, I think paper traded the first year before I used money. Good, good. Yeah, that's. I say you need to get very consistent. If you're paper trading, get very consistent, and then when you start actually trading, very small positions. Don't get like all crazy because you're all excited because you can trade now. Because the market's just gonna smack you. So Boxel faked me out. I thought it was gonna go ahead and break. I thought it was gonna break out. I thought it was going to cross over right about here. It didn't. It just continued to go sideways. And I kind of figured it was gonna do that because look at the amount of volume that's in all these candles. All right, you got 13,000. I think the highest I've seen is 18 on these candles. And then you get here and you're like 11, 7, 1400. Yeah, so you can see the volume's still not there. There you go. Starting to feel a little more awake. This thing isn't though. This thing's just it's ridiculous. I'm down 4 pennies, guys. 4 pennies a share. Oh God, my back. Oh. New York City. Looks like MAXN is kind of waking up a little bit. MAXN. Let's get this off here. MAXN. Waking up a little bit. The volume's still really low here on it. Its average volume is 154,000. It's a 3-month average. It's already done 387,000. So there is a little bit of, a little waking up there. You can tell it's got a nice solid level of resistance at that 450, as we all know. America. Your first target, I wouldn't say it's 450. I'd say it's about 442. That's your first target here. MAXN. Maxion Solar. 48. Cool. There's a little gap at 470. It's good to know. Little gap right there. We'll go ahead and mark that with a gap. It is a good song. Yeah, all right, so I'll put 2 targets on there for you on MAXN. A little gap all the way up at 6, but I wouldn't say that's going to hit unless they drop some badass news. See badass news, right? I don't see any. So there's Maxin for you. MAXN. Back over volume weighted average price, 417. Yep, WOK. That was moving yesterday in the evening. Did it start moving again today? Did it finally? Okay, it started moving again today. Finally. Okay, cool. There she is moving again. I was watching this in after hours yesterday. There's a little gap right here at 189. This has a pretty big problem with $2. Psychological lower resistance. Did it put some news out? Don't see any. Weeble news sucks. Sucks. It's moving right now. Yes, sir. It's right down. It's on the screen. Put it on the screen. It's kind of boring, isn't it? Kind of boring, isn't it? And PAVM just that thing. Check this out. Whew. All right, pumped up to 1420, dumped down. We got crazy candles incoming as well here in just about 7 minutes. Pumped up to 1420, dumped down to 10. That's a $4 a share difference. Please, big news at 8. Please, big news at 8, right? Issued warrants linked to 30 million Series D preferred stock offering. Oh, okay. ISPC's trying to break out. ISPC. It's at 44.33. It's trying to break that 44.67 and put up earlier. And CCHC looks like it's trying to do that head and shoulder pattern. Check it out. CCHH. There you go. There's your head and shoulders pattern coming to fruition on a let's see, this is a, let's do here's a 5-minute chart just so you can see. Shoulder, head. It's working on this shoulder right here. That shoulder is going to come down to the red line. It might bump around there for a little bit and then move back up, or bounce between the little yellow line and the red line until market opens. We'll see. WOK, LOL. Yep. Yeah, same thing. Look at this. Bloop. And then right back down. And now, if it breaks this little red line, fills this gap that it created just a little bit ago, she's coming back down to 123. Kelly B was wild yesterday. And I saw it. Hey, thanks, Mitchell. Thanks, Bo Babble. Thank you guys. Thanks for the finger heart. Thanks for the heart me. And thanks for the rose. Appreciate it. All right. 1 cup's down. We did it. We made 1 cup. Ah. Usually by this time I have 2.5 in me. Ooh, brought to you courtesy of the rip. What am I doing? Oh, gosh. Woo! Let's go. I know. Y'all are looking at me like, what the fuck? Especially if you're new here. People are like, what the fuck? Who's this guy? Ah, the battle will rage. CMND. We'll put a boot in your ass. That's the American way. If you're rocking out to this right now, put a one in the comments. These are old targets. This is kind of a little too low to get to those targets. It's at 182. Hit 219 already. Let's see what the 30 here looks like. Oh, nice. There's a little gap from a few days ago up here at 219. As you guys can see, they'd already hit that. But it didn't fill it. So there's still a possibility that it gets back up there. I'd say if it can break that $2, you'll get that 219. It breaks 219, then I would say you're a little closer to these higher targets. But I wouldn't call those playable yet. What news does CMND have? What the hell is my freaking thing doing its crap again? To develop intranasal MEI formulation. Isn't that like regular standard fucking news for this thing? Ah, my back hurts. Oh, freaking crap. Don't even know what happened. Man, see, Boxo just needs a push, man. Boxo just needs a push. And not the opposite direction. I hate trading consolidation. When I got in here, I was looking for a breakout. I don't see the breakout. Didn't happen. Crazy candles incoming. What's up, Debbie? Here are the crazy candles. Come on, baby. Go. Get up there. Give me one big crazy candle and fill my order. That would be beautiful. All right. Do we have a little hammer candle there? That little hammer candle? Would that count? I don't think that would count. Did you hear the news on Netflix wanting to charge extra for better sound? What the fuck is wrong with companies? So, okay, so look, Netflix has been greedy as fuck. They are greedy as fuck. I gotta say, they ever since I signed up with them, like every year they raise their price. You know, the other company that's greedy as hell is T-Mobile. T-Mobile, so damn greedy. You know, they did that huge deal with Elon for Starlink. They're going to be you know, whatever you want to call it. They teamed up with them, and literally they said that they made like something like, I don't know, something crazy like $8 billion or something. They had an $8 billion year or whatever. And then the price went up, and then just like I want to say about a month or two ago, they said the price of each line is going up about 50 cents per line. It's going up. It's like, oh, okay. All right. Boxel just touched 178. Yeah, it's on the screen. There we go. There we go. Come on, CMND. Let's get that target. I like what I'm seeing. I'm jumping in. I'm buying 100 shares. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care what it says. I don't care what it wants to do. I want it to go up, so I'm in. I'm bullish as fuck. This is a breakout. Let's go. Breakout. Come on. Let's make it easy. Come on. Let's go. Push AF. Let's go. Man, Boxel doesn't want to do it. Boxel does not want to do it. All right. I think I'm gonna get rid of Boxel. It's not showing me anything. Maybe I'll put it right here. Boxel's making me sleepy and worried. What's your favorite trade? My favorite trade. Um, I had fun with MBIO back in the day. MLGO. Had fun with that one. Um, let's see, WeBuy was fun. What else was there? Mm, I gotta say I had fun with AMC. AMC was pretty cool. That was fun. GME was fun until it wasn't. Um, God, my favorite trade. So what happened with T-Mobile? Well, I'm still holding. Still hold on to it. I'm still a member. I still use them as my carrier, but yeah, they just keep getting greedy. They just keep charging more and more and more for everything. Yeah, fuck you, Boxel. You're done. You're done. You're done. I don't even love you anymore. All right, we'll make it back. We'll make it back on something else. Let's just get out of this thing before it completely decides to take a shit. I am. I'm out. I'm out. I'm out of Boxel. Yeah. This no volume crap got to me. I got really bored. Harassment, bullying. Oh, guys, I'll be back. They said that I'm harassing and bullying. Your live is not audio recommendation for 10 minutes. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna just shut the live off and come back on TikTok. So be right back. All right, there we go. Thank you for being on YouTube. And look at Boxel. See, I'm so glad I got out. I'm so glad I. Hey, what happened to CMND? Oh, come on now. That sucks. See, this is what I get when I don't pay attention. You gotta just pay attention. I just wrote some feedback to uh, to TikTok saying that they're too strict. Here I am talking about a stock. Man, what is this? Come on, Jesus Christ, fucking hell! Yeah, I'm done with you too. You just keep on going. Fuck you, you bastard. All right, so now I'm red for the day because wasn't paying attention to CMND and it decided to spank me while I was not paying attention. So yeah, down about $20 on that one. Get out of this stupid thing. Why isn't it even filling me here? There. Get out of that. That's stupid. Oh man, it double topped. It didn't break out. Look at that. Double top. Big old double top. Fucking waste of space. All right, now let me go back to TikTok and start that up again. So stupid. Fucking annoyed. I'm annoyed. Did you get the song? Liked it? So I didn't get the song. I didn't get it. I'll check again right now, but I didn't see it in my Yahoo yesterday. Hey guys, I'm back. I'm back. All right. There we go. Let's see. Yeah, I dumped CMND because it dumped on me. You guys that are on YouTube or on TikTok there, you wouldn't have seen it. So there you go. I'm looking. I'm looking. Hang on a second. Check my spam. Oh, there we go. All right, let's go ahead and remove this from spam because it spammed you. There we go. Let's see. Now I'll be able to open it at some point here. Where the hell is it? Sorry, guys. Just trying to figure stuff out here. All right, let's see what this is here. Let me silence this thing real quick. Yeah, CMND. Once it broke volume weighted average price, I knew it was done. I decided to get out of it. So stupid. Fucking stupid. All right. Anyways, let's see. I just downloaded something. Let's listen to it. That's awesome. That's awesome. That's awesome, dude. That's so cool. Thanks for making that. I fucking love it, dude. Oh, that's so awesome. Backhoes for you made this. That's so cool, man. That's freaking awesome. All right, there we go. So CCHH decided to jump up to 62 cents. It took a break. Let's get that off the chart there. That's beautiful. That's beautiful. I love it. I love it. Oh man. That's so cool. That's so cool, man. Every time I start the live, I'll play that. That's awesome. Thank you. All right, let's see what's moving here. We got CCHH. That's it. Moved up. Wheeler took a shit. Boxel took a shit. Came down to 194, 193. Currently trying to push its way back up into the $2. Currently, I'm down $7 for the day. $7 for the day. I love it. That's awesome. Hey, what's up, Matt? How you doing, man? SMTK. Let's see. SMTK pushed up slowly, 65 cents. What's the news? Acquire carbonium core in all stock deal. Oh, okay. So is it an all stock deal that's going to work good for retail? Oh boy. Let's give some targets here. Put the music back on here. That was awesome. That was freaking rad. I like that. All right, so you guys can see on a 30 minutes bumping its head on the 200 EMA on a 30-minute SMTK. Bumped its head here, broke through just a little bit. Same here, not much. So you can expect it to break through a little bit and suck back down. That's what I see going on with SMTK here. It's a almost 6 million float. It's done 5 million in trading so far. Average volume is 183,000. I'd love to see if it can get 88 cents. All right, so broke out a little bit. Just kind of feeling itself out here. Broke up. Now it's breaking out of this 67, 72 cents right now. Now, will this keep pushing? Chart looks pretty decent right now. I like the song. Yeah. I like the song. That's going to be the intro to every live. That's what we'll do. We'll do that. Now I have a theme song. Thank you, Backos. That was awesome. So we're watching. We're going to see if this thing wants to continue doing this nice little pattern here. Higher lows, higher highs. This is a 1 minute. This is what a 5 minute looks like. So it just did it. So you're still waiting for a pullback. At least I am. Still waiting for a pullback. I'd like to get in it. I'd like to make some of that money back there. I don't like being negative $7. I don't know if is that good luck or bad luck. Oh man, that sucks. Because I had to end that live. I don't know how many likes we had. We're at 2.3 right now. We have about an hour and 14 minutes till market opens. Damn, that's a reset. Still waiting for a pullback. check out RDIB. That might be doing some craziness. It hit 41.31 in after hours yesterday. Wait, no, this morning. Was that yesterday? Shit. These little spark charts are so small. Um, yeah, this morning it hit 41.30 and now it's down to 16.30. It's got a 17 million float. Looking for a breakout of that 1742 on RDIB. I'll put it on. Is that my little pullback? I'll put RDIB right here. There you go. So this is RDIB. It's dangerous to play with because of the movement it can have, obviously. $41 and then just fucking dropped out of the sky. What stock? Talking about RDIB, the left screen. Start smashing that screen, you guys. We need 25K. Let's go. Yeah, RDIB just needs to break that. CCHH is really trying to make some moves here. It's trying to break out. Trying to break out. Look at this. Let's see CCIH. I need another cup of coffee. You guys yell at me if that CCIH wants to break out. Oh, God. Oh, there it is. There's the breakout. CCHH. There she broke out. All right, I'm in it. Get a cheap little ride here. Let's see if it happens. Get a cheap little ride. Let's see. All right. I'm testing my little system here. Let's see if it works out. Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. You guys are doing great. Thank you. You guys are doing great. I wish I could find something better for you guys. Something right before it's about to run. That would be amazing. Something like maybe like a MLGO. Oh man, yeah. Thank you guys for hitting that like, that follow, and that share. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate you. This thing's working. This thing's working. It's trying. Its next spot it needs to break is 70 cents. RDIB. Yeah, so basically on this one, I'm looking for a break of that volume weighted average price. It breaks that, good possibility it'll get back to 18. Come on, break on through. Come on, CCHH. You look like you want it. You look like you want it. You're pushing those bears up. I'd love to make like $6 on this thing. Let's see, what do I have it marked at? How much would I make if it gets to that? Oh yeah, that's perfect. I'd love to make at least $6 on this thing. I'm up right now $1 and $1, whatever. It's gonna jump around between here. If it breaks 66 cents, then I'd expect it to drop down, get back down to volume weighted average price, probably 60 cents. I don't want it to. So far, the volume on it looks bullish, even though that candle's turned red. We'll see if the system that I made works. Right now, it doesn't look like it's working because my system's still telling me it's okay, it's okay, it's okay. Don't stress, don't stress. Well, looks like it's lying. Oh no, it's not lying on the 5 minute. 5 minutes. It's okay. We're still okay. We're all right. It's no big deal. No big deal. It's got to be something else that's actually like moving. Come on. See, let's see if it's right. We'll see. See, I'm playing with small size, so I'm not, I'm not expecting anything crazy. And if it drops, it's not killing my account. It's not killing me either. Here we go. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. RDIB just hit. Look at that. There's the oh, there you go. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Boom, boom, boom. Take your profits. Take your profits. Take your profits. RDIB just did 1925. That what the hell's son of a CHC. Just hit that first target at 1894 on RDIB. Just hit that first target. Damn. That was a whole $2. Wasn't it? Wasn't it $2? It's right around volume weighted average price. Come on. Come on. That was pretty badass. That was pretty badass. Yes, okay, so now if it can break this $20 right here, you could be off to the races. And it broke $20. Well, I'm so intrigued right now. I'm so intrigued. I'm gonna do something stupid. I'm gonna buy. What am I gonna buy? 5 shares. That's $100. Yeah, right there. Oh yeah, let's catch that. Oh yeah. Let's see. Now it'll go up. Now it'll go up. Let's go. Let's go. Come on. I got 5 shares. Come on, baby. All right, where's it gonna go? Where are we gonna go? We're gonna go 25. Just under 25. 24 and some pennies. I'll sell half at that if it wants to do that. Oh man. There's 2186. Let's see if I can get this 24. It's supposed to be 2422. Fuck it. Make it 24. Whatever. I don't care. Okay. That was a good little quick move there. That was awesome. Bueller. Bueller. That was awesome. That was a quick move there. This one here. Oh, okay, so now it flipped. I see. I see what it's doing. Okay. All right, so this one the system was actually correct. I just read it wrong. I read the system wrong. Technically, I should have taken some profit on it. I should have taken that $2 that I had on there because it started showing weakness about 7 candles ago. Started showing weakness on this one right here. Reversal. Let's see. This one's going down now. I'm having too much fun. I don't know. I don't know if this is good or bad, but I'm having too much fun playing around with this stuff. I mean, I have 5 shares on a $20 stock. Okay, and I'm in at 18. Okay, and this one here, just playing around with my emotions. Wasn't I in something else? Oh yeah, SMTK. SMTK 57 cents. I'm down on that one. Man, I'm all red. I'm all red right now. My face is red. I'm in the red. That's okay. All we need is one of these to wake up, and they will. One will. I'm looking for the next target on this one to be 24 on RDIB. RDIB. Let's go, guys. Let's go. CCHH is trying to make its way back up over the 9 EMA. A nice little reversal candle here on this little downtrend. This little tiny couple minute downtrend. Let's see if she wants to do something for us. All right, we're back to green. Back to green on both of them. Come on, RDIB. You know you want to push it harder. So I'll show you guys. It's a little sneak preview of something I'm working on for the group. This is what I'm working on. I programmed this chart for it to give me my take profit 1, 2, and 3 naturally. Okay, it tells me whether it's bullish or bearish. So it tells me whether it's above volume weighted average price or below volume weighted average price. Gives me a stop. It gives me an entry area. Yeah, it's something I've been working on for like a while now. It's been a while. It's fun. Ah, come on, CCHH. You tried. You tried. RDIB. I'm going to wait for you. I'm going to just hang on to the 5 shares I have. I'm going to wait for you. I want to see 24 bucks. On Thinkorswim, yes. The one squib, yes. But I'm also going to, if it works, then I'm going to make it for um, TradingView as well. You said feeds moving slow. The live stream moving slow? Ah, Ali, you can't buy RDIB on E-Trade. Yeah, that sucks. Yeah, Charles Schwab, E-Trade, they all do that kind of stuff. They deem the stock way too risky because of the volatility. So they'll call it an untradeable day trading stock. Hmm. Boy, that coffee sure does sound good, but it hurts like hell to get out of my seat. Oh, your love. Look at that, guys. We're getting there. We're at 6,300 likes. Forevermore. All right, CCHH, give me some profit now. SMTK took a little dump there, trying to get back. It's at 60 cents now. So a little pullback, I think, on a 5-minute chart on RDIB. So that's why I'm still just chilling. Got me 5 shares. I'm rich. Come on, baby. You can get up there. Oh, goodness gracious. Hope you guys are having a good time. I am. I'm having a good time. Just want to find something that's like ripping. That would be freaking rad. MAXN is at a point of resistance at 420. MAXN. Point of resistance. Strong area of resistance. Could this possibly be doing a little baby cup and handle? Maybe. Maybe a little baby cup and handle. BTYB ripped me a new one. Oh no, Joseph. Yeah, it's at the top there, but yeah, I saw what it did. That sucks. Make it cottage. What are the position sizes? Position sizes. Well, I'm keeping my positions really small because I seem to have gotten in a little bit of a funk the past few days. So I'm keeping my positions small so it doesn't kill my account. Thank you for the sunglasses, Joseph. Appreciate you. Yeah, when you're in a funk, you don't have to stop trading. You can trade, but just make your position smaller so it doesn't hurt you as bad. And then you'll get out of your funk and then you'll be good. Started trading too early. I messed up my strategy. Ah, that sucks. This is your wedding song? Nice. All right, so CCHH is trying to recover, trying to recover. That's cool. The system saw that before I did. That's cool. It's pretty cool. I'm hoping it really works out because that would be a little bit of a game changer for some peeps. But I'm gonna have to test it for a little while there. You sold it 69. You didn't trust it. I trust 69 all the way. 69's that's my number. That's whew, that's a good number. Oh yeah, I lost 40, but the big loss was breaking my pattern. Discipline was not there today. Yeah, yeah, I feel you there. Hey, every single trader has that. We do that all the time. We stick with strategy and then we fall apart sometimes. MAXN broke out a little bit, but it's getting sucked back down real quick. So far, I'm still in a respectable range of how much I'm down for the day. I'm down 21 bucks right now. I'm in SMTK. I'm in CCHH, and I'm in RDIB. RDIB. I'm thinking this is a 5 minute pullback. I need it to give me something to show me that it still wants to be bullish. And then CCHH. CCHH is just it's an interesting little thing from yesterday. My max acceptable okay, so my max acceptable loss. See, that's a great question. See, currently, today, this week, $100. $100. That is my max acceptable loss for the day. And that's what you guys should have. You guys should have an acceptable loss in your head. Like, hey, I'm not losing more than this today. I'll accept it, you know? But that's a great question there. Looks like SMTK is coming back pretty good there. I even wore my lucky shirt today. Right. Yeah, you see everybody's got their own little strategy on how or what, what they're going to do, their risk reward, that kind of stuff. And it's great to have because it keeps you in line. Like obviously I wouldn't jump into this thing with 100 shares. That's just way too much. This thing travels too much distance in a short period of time. Over here, 65 cent stock. So what? 100 shares, that's 65 bucks. We'll call it 66 bucks. Okay. If this thing tanks, goes all the way to zero, I'm still okay. You know. And I know that just, you know, a couple good calls, let's say I make 6 bad calls, okay? And I get 2 good ones. Well, those good ones pretty much can make it all back and then some. You just gotta pay really close attention. And the other reason that like right now I'm playing smaller size is because I'm live. I've noticed I don't pay as close attention when I'm live at all. Like I'm looking at the other charts, I'm looking at other stuff, I'm reading comments, I'm thinking about other things, you know. So it's harder to pay close attention to this one here. It's It's hard to pay attention to this one. SMTK, hard to pay close attention to this one. $6 down here. Just broke volume weighted average price again. We're waiting for a move. And think about it this way. Let's say you trade 5 tickers a day. You know, my goal right now is to get up to $30 profit for the day, right? Okay, so let's say I make, $5 here, $5 there, and $5 on the other one. That's $15, halfway there. That kind of thing. So think about it that way as well. Like, okay, hey, what's my goal for the day? What would I like to make? Okay, I would like to make a gazillion dollars, but let's be honest, you need money to make money, and if you don't have that, then it's going to be tough to get there. Unless you're Ross Cameron. Cameron Ross. Jesus, I'm dyslexic. My dyslexia is kicking in. Ross Cameron, Cameron Ross, Ross Cameron. He's got two first names. Okay, like give me a break. Had to learn to be more practical and strategic when trading. Yeah. Yeah. See, look, and this thing, it showed strength. Now it's showing weakness. Needs to hold above volume weighted average price, or it's going to do this and probably come back down to this little red line. Probably cost me like $10 or something. That one's coming down. CCHH, same, also coming down. But it's above volume weighted average price, so it's still bullish. So that's good. This RDIB coming down. Maybe it's the time. Maybe 544 is the time that everything kind of takes a break. RDIB is really taking a hit right now. Name of the game is take profits, right? So should I have taken profits up here? Probably. I mean, that was a pretty good move, right? But I'm curious what it's going to do. I'm really curious. I mean, I'm not that far off. And let's just say this thing does come down to here, and I think it's still got a move in it or something. Then I can go ahead and put a couple bucks more in it at a cheaper price, and that'll drop my average down drastically because I only have 5 shares. Now, I'm not saying you guys should average down because, well, you know, some of you don't know what the hell you're doing, and averaging down would hurt you more if you got it in the wrong spot. So this is going down, this is going down, and STMK is going down as well. So all of them currently are going downwards. They're doing the downward dog. Let me go get my coffee. I'll be right back. Okie dokie. Right? They're all doing the same thing at the same time. What else is moving? So I personally don't like personally I don't like JZXN, but it's slowly moving up. It's at $1.39. It hit 151 earlier. It's a 1.39 million float, 1.25 million volume so far. Hey, thank you, Joseph. Jeez, Joseph's fingers stuck on the lightning bolts. Thanks, Joseph. Holy crap. So you're right. Certain times do move things differently, and I'll show you. I put it into I put it right here. Here we go. So I put it right here. Things move at different times right here. Volume acceleration. Let's see. I think it was slide 2. Float rotation before 9:30. Okay, things you don't know about this stuff. Let's see right here. Come on, where is it? There you go. Oh gosh, I made this so hard to go through. Where'd I put it? Which one was it? Was it that one? It was a time clock. Was it in this? I doubt it was in this. This is the toxic agents thing. Or you know what? Maybe I didn't post it. That might be it. I might have not posted it. Yep. Yep. That's probably what it is. I didn't post it. Or maybe I posted it somewhere else. I don't know. But you see how I get distracted? Do you guys see how hard it is? Joseph, thank you for all the lightning bolts, the goat. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. Sunglasses. Solid. It's on the site or the Discord. The what I just showed was on the profile, but I can't remember where I can't remember where I put the stuff. I have it here somewhere. It could be just in my phone too. I may have wanted to wait for the weekend to put it up, but it's definitely the different times. At different times, stocks move, and if they don't move by a certain time, then you got to wait for the next time. Now that could mean a lot of things though. Waiting for that next time, and the reason there's these times is because well, news comes out at certain times. When that news comes out, that's when stocks rally. But there's an explanation to that as well. All right, CC, come on, CCHH. I'm gonna try to climb out of these one by one with profit. Let's see how that works, right? Let's see. Ugh. All right, JTAI. That's one that's moving as well. It's 16 cents, almost 17 cents. What you're looking for on JTAI is for it to break through 1733. But be very cautious. This one will hurt you. JTAI will hurt you. And if it can break that 17, if it could break that 17 JTAI, you're probably going to be looking for about 21. If it breaks that, you're looking for 27 on JTAI. I swear to God, I gotta find the time thing. It's driving me nuts. It is driving me bazonkers. I do everything on my phone, so I'm pretty damn sure it's in my phone. Here we go. So it is on that. No, that's not on that slide. But I'll show you guys here. Let's see. Let me share it with my Mac. There we go. Open. So here you go. You got to be aware of the time. See that? See that? So that's one of them. There's another one that explains that a little bit better in a little bit more detail. Okay, who's in CCHH? Hey, I am. Yeah, this is a little tiny position, 100 shares, not much. All right, that's enough searching. Hey, look at CHCC or CC CHCC CCHH. Got got to see the low volume consolidation, then drop in the PM today. Cool to notice. Come on, baby. Let's go. This one's having issues. Let's see what else we got moving. I'm not afraid of those. What was that? What was that? Come on, baby. Let's go. Keep on pushing. Battle's getting beat up. 273. BATL. Beat up. All right, guys. We're getting closer to that market open. It's 5:54. We got about 36 minutes until market opens. Just remember to make sure you guys take your profits on the way up. And those of you that are on the Discord, if you haven't checked out the little lesson spot that I made there that says learn, I'm going to be posting some slides in there for you guys to save on your phones. Intel, here we go. What's up, Captain? INTC about to fly. All right, let's see. Let's INTC. Let's see. I mean, if technically, let's see. Can I do a Christopher Walken voice? Well, you see, technically, well, you're looking at it all wrong. That's a horrible Christopher Walken. Oh my God, that was horrible. I'm not awake enough yet to do a Christopher Walken. Fuck. He's got such a. Ooh, it's hard, hard to do. Well, laugh out loud, nice. Looking at me here all wrong. You got the wrong tone. Oh God, it's hard. All right, so it looks like the system was actually right about CHCC. Let's put that back. Let's put that back on that. Let's see. It's not too shabby. Let's see if it hits the targets that it's holding. Battle heard you talking smack. Ha ha ha. No, it was going down by itself. I was just refereeing it. BITF, huge float. BITF. That's awesome. The system was right. The system was right. I'm gonna show you guys. Look at the system was right. Look at there's take profit one on the system. Okay, there's your entry right in here. So the system was white. This the system was right for that one. So that's good. That's good, and that's off of a 15-minute chart. I just hit 70.55, and it was saying the take profit was 70 on the first one. So that's really cool. God dang. If I can get this thing dialed in, game changer. especially for people that don't know when to take profit. You guys see that big wall at 70 cents? I got like 9 things open at once over here. That one's hurting me for $7. This one's hurting me for $10. This one's profit for $3. You know what? I mean, I want it to go there. I really do, but I also want to take some more profit off the table there. Richard, that system has been my homework assignment, no joke, for a little bit over a month. That's been my homework assignment. So 70 bucks or 70 cents is really hard for it to break through. There's 70 again. Come on, push on through, baby. You know you want to get that 78 cents. You know you want it. It's got a 18,000 share wall at 73, 18,000 at 75, and the Bulls are holding up 61. All right, come on now. I'm gonna hold tight. I'm gonna hold tight. I don't know how long I can hold tight though. Very excitable right now. We have a runner. We do? Which one? Fly? You think Fly's running? How far is it running? All right, we got a 1.46 million float, 400,000 shares traded so far. That's about the average. That's 3-month average. Okay, so it has chairman news yesterday. Fly does, FLYE. 59. Let's go. All right. Well, look. This is. I mean, you just can't make this shit up. This is for real. So $6.64 is a little gap. How many times does it hit it? 1, 2 times it hit that gap and stalled. So, well, you know where it's gonna go, right? It's probably gonna go back up to this gap. It'll probably stall. But if it doesn't and it wants to move higher, which it's got a lot of problems doing, as you can see. All right, let's see. So I know it's not much difference, but we gotta make sure it can get through the gap first before I start throwing out targets for you guys. Oh, look at that. That was quick. That was real quick. Hit the gap and broke through real quick. All right, so your next target on this thing, let's see. 840. That's done. 840 will hit. Right here. Shit, right there. All right, that was very dangerous. That is very dangerous movement. But you see what stock it is and you see what the float is. So that is very dangerous movement. So you got basically nine bucks. So 897 if you want to play safe. But yeah, that was very out of the ordinary kind of movement on FLYE. That was real quick filling that gap. 767,000 shares traded on the candle before here. This green one. Look at comments here. INTC, here we go. Oh, it looks like I'm getting smacked on something. What am I getting smacked on? It looks like this one. This one's smacking me. RDIB's giving me a little run for my money here. Down 12 bucks there. Let's see, where's STMK at? Did it complete fall off too? Yeah, it looks like STMK fell off too. 6 o'clock, so this is to be expected. STMK is completely gone. I don't even know where it is. Let's see, let me find it here. My positions. Oh yeah, yeah. STMK coming back down to this little red line. And when it breaks that little red line, it's probably going to come down to here. All right, let's go back to FLY. That was fun to watch. Good job, two down. Good job. And this is why I play around. This is exactly why I play around. Yeah, sorry I was a little late this morning getting on the live. I just it's been a rough it was a rough night last night. But I'm here, made it, got a cool ass song that Backhoe's made for me. That's awesome. It's so cool. I'm gonna be listening to that in my truck. I'm gonna be listening to that in my truck for sure. That's so sick. It has to hold. If it doesn't, if SMTK doesn't hold this line, it's gonna come down probably back to 46 cents. But again, I'm not that scared of holding these little ones like this because so let's say this thing goes down, 50 cents. I'm still not going to be wrecked. I could play three different stocks and not be that concerned because it's really not that much money. Yes, you got to be cautious about your money, of course, but there's a good possibility that this one comes back. Just needs to get back over volume weighted average price. Could have another little run. It's not that big of a float. Its average volume is 5,000 shares. That's its average, 3-month average. And then the volume. So you want me to play it again? All right, I'll play it again. I'll play it again. Abu Adam, RDIB. I think it'll come back. I think at the very least it'll get back to 1894. Freaking love it. It's awesome. Oh man. Isn't that awesome? I didn't make it. Backhoes made it. I fucking love it. That's awesome. All right, come on now. Get back there. Get back. Mitchell's rocking out. He loves it. Come on, get up there, RDIB. Wakey, wakey. All right, we got the CCHH trying to get back to 70 again. There you go. Backhoes did it. He put that song together. I want a song now. We have a runner, LIMN. LIMN is it's moving. Yeah. It's $2.30. We'll put LIMN right over here for you. I need music. All right. All right, let me put I was seeing if this thing wanted to move a little bit more, but no, not right now. So LIMN coming off that bottom there, off the 200 EMA, 208, up to 234 right now. Yeah, thanks, Debbie. Yeah, you did good. All right there, and you're blocked. There you go. Did you see that? James Dad Cook got blocked so fast he didn't even know what hit him. Take that, man. Learn how to read. Oh, God. That was so fast. That was so fast. I see. All I saw was buy and then cyber, and I right away, boom, out. uh, I shouldn't have done that. Shouldn't I? Maybe I should have just muted him. Here, I'll unblock him, and I'm gonna send him a message because that he shouldn't be putting buy on there at all. Yeah, let's fix that. There, I sent him a message. I mean, come on, man. You can't do that. You cannot do that. You can't tell people to buy, sell, or hold. It's not, you're not a financial advisor. You shouldn't be doing that. All right. So here, let me go ahead and put this. I go live Monday through Friday, 4 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. It's not financial advice. Entertainment only. No fucking crypto. That's it. That's all I got. Do you think Fly will go back to 8? There's a possibility. There is a possibility it will recover. It's still doing pretty good. Um, it looks like it uses the little blue line as support, which is the 20 EMA. It just broke it though, so it's probably going to come back down to the little red line here, 529, because of the aggressive movement that it's had. It's more likely that it goes down than it goes up right here. Oh man, 6:15 already. Holy crap. Damn, that flew by so fast. Sheesh. Yeah, I bought 540, sold at 810. Nice, dude. Good job. Good job. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Well done there, sir. Well played. Well played. ATXG making a little bit of movement there. ATXG. There you go. A little bit of movement. It's at its breakout. Why do I fuck around so much? I swear to God, I don't know why, but I just fuck around, and then I find out later, right? Here, look. Oh man, come on! Don't do that. Let me in. So if I'm fucking chasing it up, Jesus Christ. Oh man, that's fun. Ah, what a jerk. See, what a hoser. I didn't fill. It decided to jump with before I could even do anything. I was trying to sell when I saw 727, but then I guess as I sold, it jumped more better for me. Haha. Yeah, dude. That's freaking solid. Solid work. Hey. Whoa. Whoa, hey. There it is. It filled those gaps. Those gaps disappeared. There's more gaps at 53 cents. On a 5-minute chart, there's gaps at 53 cents. Let's see what the 30 looks like. The dirty 30. What's up? Oh, oh yeah. I can't believe it. I cannot believe it. I cannot believe it. Wouldn't let me in. It's got a nice big gap up here. Wouldn't let me in. What a joke. Let's put a gap sign there. All right. Could it possibly get there? Sure can. Sure can. Just about as sure as a hurricane. I think it's going to get there. I think it's going to get there. I think so. He was raised right. Ba-dum. All right, let me read some comments here. Any comments? Anything? You guys need anything? Just remember, guys, it's Friday. Protect your capital. Am I still in Boxel? No, I'm out of Boxel. I am still in STMK. I think that's what it was. Here, let me hold on. Positions. I'm in SMTK. I'm in CCHH, and I'm in RDIB. I'm waiting for open on all three. All right, guys. I haven't done this today. I'm gonna do it just because I think I would be doing myself an injustice if I didn't share the website. All right, Jrockstocks.com. There's only one. Okay, there's just me. All right. Uh, if you go to my website, you want to know a little bit about me. There's 93 reviews. Go ahead and check those out. All these reviews are written by people that were in this room with you. Um, if not today, past days. But just read reviews. If you're looking where to start, or you're a beginner, you don't know where to start, you start with the Learning Center. Learning Center is free. Helpful Links and Learning Center is free. These are for members. Members are free. Free. I don't know if you got that. Here are the rules. This is where beginners start. This is very important. You got to know your platform. If you don't know your platform, you're going to make mistakes. Okay, even doing this for as long as I've been doing it. When I'm asleep, sometimes I buy when I wanted to sell, and sometimes I sell when I wanted to buy more. It happens to the best of us. We get in that little move in our heads, and we get in there. So know your platform, know your broker. Start with small positions. Protect protect yourself. So small positions, as you see, I'm completely relaxed. I'm losing $31 right now on 3 stocks total. Am I freaking out? No. Am I getting emotional? No. Am I selling because I'm afraid I'm gonna lose money? Nope. I've got a small position in all of them, and if they move a little bit, then I'll make a couple bucks, which is fine. I'm not going to get rich. This is not the when you trade, you do not think, "Hey, I'm going to get rich." You think, "How much can I afford to lose today?" That's what you should be thinking. Start with small positions so you don't get emotional, basically. Focus one trade at a time. Greed kills accounts. You guys, I've shown you plenty of times where I'm sitting there waiting for my next move, my next move, my next move. And, sometimes that take profit one, most of the time, is king. That is the number one thing you should be looking for is that take profit one. All right. Don't FOMO. Don't FOMO. Don't ever FOMO. Fear of missing out. There's always going to be another runner. Okay. If you didn't get it, wait for a pullback. If you see the chart setting up correctly, wait for a pullback, get in, do your thing there. All right. But again, don't ever FOMO, fear of missing out. Stay emotionally disciplined. That's why we have small positions, so we can stay emotionally disciplined. As soon as you get emotional, you're done. It sucks. You will make more and more mistakes doing it that way. And then avoid chasing hypes. There's guys out there that are pushing certain stocks. They're sponsored by the stocks. They're pushing them on purpose. All right, but Learning Center, that's where you start. You got learn candlesticks, teaches you about a candlestick. Must know definitions. All right, you got that. Watch This blog is put out Sunday through Thursday, before 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. I'll show you what the watch list looks like. This is what the watch list looks like right here. Okay, that's what it looks like. You got your ticker, you've got your entry, your stop, your take profit 1, 2, and 3. That's what it looks like. Okay. And then you got some notes. So there's that. Here's the pricing. I'm going real fast because market's going to open in 8 minutes. $59.99 for full access, the watch list blog and Discord, where I put alerts out on the Discord. This one here is 1 year. You pay up front 1 year, you save 20%. So basically you're only paying $569. If you weren't saving your 20%, you for the year you'd pay $719. Watch list only. This just gives you the watch list, doesn't give you access to me through Discord. Through Discord, you can ask me questions about your stock. You can ask me about like, hey, what I think it's gonna do. You can ask me, hey, is this setting up right? Am I reading this right? All sorts of things. Just ask me whatever. You can even ask me where babies come from. I don't care. I'll tell you. I'm kidding. Jrockstocks.com. Okay, peace. There we go. All right. So currently still down 31 cents. Here's ATXG. There's your gap right there, 64 cents. I hear my crazy dog running around. Oh my god, she gets these little sensei. What's my average on CCHH? What's my average on CCHH? It's right here. 65.81. That's my average. And this is the second time I'm playing it because I played it last night and I made some money on it last night. Nothing crazy. I carried some over into today. I sold today, made a little bit on it today, and right now I'm just seeing what it wants to do once market opens. I got a very small position in it, so let's say that 65 turns into 30. Let's say it turns into 30, right? Well, and I feel like, hey, that's a bottom or something, or I think, hey, this thing can still go up. This is just a retracement. Then I can buy more shares and my average will get down. What about ATXG? Are you in on that too? No, I'm not in ATXG. Nope. Nope. You'll know that I'm in it by these position markers here. That's how you'll know I'm in it. I'm in that. Let's see. Oh, that one's blowing up. TIRX. TIRX, previous runner from previous days, was on the watch list. When was this on the watch list? This was 3 days ago. What the shit? Where is it? And the reason I'm looking for which watch list it was on is because it already has the take profits on it. I could be wrong. God, man, I look at so many ding stocks. All these names end up mixing together. I should have sworn I put it on a stock a watch list. I just can't find it. It's here somewhere. Anyways, market's about to open, guys. Remember, take profits on the way up into strength, not into weakness. Don't go chasing waterfalls if you want to go that way with TLC. Let's see. It wasn't on watch list. It's on the Discord because I pointed it out. Okay, there you go. That's what. Good job. 2 down. Debbie, take profits, 27.95. Huh? What am I missing? ATXG. You took profit on ATXG. I'm so lost right now. I have no idea what's going on. It was an alert, not watch list. Gotcha. Thank you. Thank you. Gotcha. I mean, it's possible. Why is it running? The only thing you guys have to worry about when a stock that previously ran a couple days ago, only thing you got to worry about is all the bag holders. That's all you got to worry about. Is all the bag holders. Yep. Look at that. Look at all these people that lost money right here. You know, there's a lot of people in here that bought right in here. Oh yeah, looks good. I'm gonna buy it, right? Boop, boop, boop. Oh, you're saying that's your take profit. Your take profit's 27. 95. Gotcha. Right on. Right on, right on. In the words of Matthew McConaughey, right on, right on. All right. All right, guys. So, like I said, be very careful. BQ is also moving right now. It's got a 4 million float. BQ. It's at 149, starting to move. ATXG just tanked. Hit 65.50 or hit 53.53 and went back down to 44 cents. QNST moving a little bit. It's a bigger float. Doesn't have the volume yet. I'd watch for volume on QNST. If the volume comes back or starts pumping, I'd say volume on QNST would be anything over roughly about 300,000 shares. And that'll probably happen right after market open. Keep an eye on CCHH. Keep an eye on RDIB at open. RDIB. BQ still moving up, 154. BQ is a nice 4.53 million stock. So that's the float, 4.53. Volume right now is 204,000. Its average is 1.12. I'd keep an eye on that for the day. I'd definitely keep an eye on Wheeler for a retracement to pre-market numbers on Wheeler. Cool. All right, guys. Well, shoot, market opens here in a minute. Take your profits on the way up into strength, not into weakness. And I will see you guys later. Have a great Friday. Protect your capital. You made profits during the week. Hold on to them. Smaller sizes, quicker take profits. Got it? If you understand that, put some fireballs in the chat. Thanks for hanging out with me, guys. It's been fun. Peace. American Teabag. Peace. All right. Come on, market. Let's go. Open up. Hopefully, hopefully this muscle spasm can freaking leave me. Cause it sucks. And try picking up a old man with muscle spasms in your back. I'm telling you, it's not easy. All right, guys. Have a great day. I'll talk to you later. Thanks for hanging out. All right, YouTube, thank you for hanging out with me. Hey, man, Backhoes, thank you for putting that song together. That's awesome. I'm going to play it for my wife here in a minute. Appreciate you. And I'll see you guys later. I'm going to try to come on the live a little later just to mess around and see what's going on. I'll try to save some money for the later hours. But thanks for hanging out. Thank you, and peace out. Peace.